Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Fadsk portable washing machine and the eReeves compact mini twin tub. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you find the perfect fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Fadsk portable washing machine is a budget-friendly option at just $69. Making it an attractive choice for those looking to save money. In contrast, the eReeves compact mini twin tub is priced at $199, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. If you're on a tight budget, the Fadsk might be the way to go, but if you're willing to invest more for better performance, the eReeves could be worth it. Next, let's talk about capacity. The Fadsk portable washing machine has a washing capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for small loads and occasional use. However, if you frequently have larger laundry needs, the eReeves compact mini twin tub offers a much larger capacity of 20 pounds for washing and 12 pounds for spinning. This makes it a more efficient choice for families or those with bigger laundry loads. Finally, let's examine the features. The Fadsk portable washing machine is simple and easy to use, with 3 cleaning modes and a lightweight, foldable design for portability. On the other hand, the eReeves compact mini twin tub comes with separate washing and spinning tubs, a drying rack, and a more powerful motor, making it a versatile and efficient option for more demanding laundry tasks. If you value convenience and efficiency, the eReeves stands out with its advanced features. In conclusion, both the Fadsk portable washing machine and the eReeves compact mini twin tub have their strengths and weaknesses. The Fadsk is perfect for those seeking an affordable and portable solution, while the eReeves offers more capacity and features for a higher price. Consider your laundry needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.